Hey everyone, welcome back to another SFX video. So in today's video, this was a request from one of my fans on my TikTok. They had asked me to do a phone charger stuck in my legs. So I went ahead and done one, of course. It's really simple. Pretty much just get scar wax, slap it on the area where you want to stick your phone charger in, blend it out to make it look nice and seamless, and just add some powder to kind of, you can use like foundation powder or any kind of powder. That's just to kind of make it look seamless and kind of match your skin color. And this is kind of the best I could match my skin color with the scar wax that I made. Once again, considering that I did make my own homemade scar wax, this is pretty good to kind of match the color with my normal skin. Then I just pretty much just got some blood. You can use any blood and just kind of dab it around. You don't want to go too extra because the subtle it is, the more kind of seamless it blends in and it looks kind of real. So yeah, that's pretty much it. This is a little removal as well, which everyone loves, so I thought I will include it in my YouTube video. And if you do want to see more kind of videos like this, please do like and also subscribe to my channel. So I will be posting a few videos, hopefully a week, and yeah, I'll see you guys all in another one. Bye!